Hi there everyone, welcome back, and in this quick tutorial I will show you how to download and install WhatsApp in laptop or Windows PC. So let's get started. First of all you're gonna do is simply go to the search bar and search for Microsoft Store. There you have it, simply go with that, and then from the above side, which is for the searching, you need to tap on that and simply go with the WhatsApp. So you need to select the WhatsApp and simply go with the get button, which will simply install your application for you. So now as you can see, we got our WhatsApp installed. So simply tap on the open button to open this up, and then from here you need to select the get started. So tap on that, and now let's just go to our mobile screen to see how we can connect your account to the PC. All right. As you can see guys, we are on our mobile screen right now. So let me just go to the WhatsApp, and then from here on the above side you need to tap on the three dots and then simply go with the linked device. Just tap on that, and then from here as you can see link a device, you will see this. You need to tap on this option and then simply scan the QR code from your PC. So it will take some time. Get your PC synced up. So as you can see, the Windows is syncing right now. So let's just move on to our desktop and see what's happening on there. So as you can see guys, we have successfully logged in WhatsApp, and that's how you can simply download and install WhatsApp and as well as synchronize your WhatsApp account to laptop. So I hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like, and we'll see you pretty next time.